Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Okay, let us start our discussion. Today we want to solve a question which is based on acid-base titration. Okay, we have calculate the volume in decimeter cube of 0.390 moles per decimeter cube potassium hydroxide solution that will neutralize 25 centimeter cube of 0.350 moles per decimeter cube sulfuric acid solution, and we have given the equation. So we have an acid, we have a base, because we are dealing with acid-base titration. So we have an acid and we have a base. Let us see. One thing we have is KOH and one thing we have is H2SO4. What is given to us? We want to find the volume. We want to find the volume of KOH, and what is this thing? 0.390 moles per decimeter cube. From the unit you can pick it like this is moles per decimeter cube. It means it is N over V, and this is what? This is basically concentration. Concentration is number of moles over volume. So we are given the concentration, which is how much? 0.390. Now we want to find the volume. We can use this formula, but the problem is we don't have the number of moles. This thing we don't know. Let's see for acid what we have for the acid. For the acid we have the volume, which is 25 centimeter cube, and we have the concentration because it is moles per decimeter cube. So this is 0.350 mole per decimeter cube. This is the concentration. Okay, but if you look here, as you know, in titration you have one missing term here. This is the titrant H2SO4. So we have here, from this we can find the moles, and how it will help us to find the moles of KOH, let us see. We can use the formula of concentration here. C is equals to N over V. So what will be N? N will be C into V. Now you have to be very careful here. This concentration is in moles per decimeter cube. Okay, like if you see this concentration of yours, N equals to C into V, this concentration is given in moles per decimeter cube, and this volume here is in centimeter cube. It is centimeter cube. So you have to make them same. You have to convert this centimeter cube into decimeter cube to get the correct number of moles. Okay, be careful with this units. So number of you want to calculate the number of moles. So what is the concentration? Concentration is 0.350. We have it here, 0.350, and the volume is how much? 25 centimeter cube. When we convert it into decimeter cube, it will be 0.0250 decimeter cube. So how much you will get? It is 8.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles. This is the moles of acid, but we need to find the moles of the base because we don't have the number of moles here, so we cannot find the volume. But we have one thing in our question, which is the equation. With the help of this equation we can understand and we can calculate the number of moles of KOH. Right here, if you see the equation, in the equation you can see here the relation, like 2 moles of KOH is reacting with 1 mole of H2SO4. So their ratio is what? 2:1. It means that the moles of base are double than the acid. Like if it is 1, it is 2. If it is 2, it will be 4. But if it is 8.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3, then how much KOH will be there? It will be also double of this. The number of moles of KOH will be double of the acid. So it will be how much? 1.75 into 10 raised to power minus 2 moles. Now you have the moles. You can use again the concentration formula, N over V. You want to find the volume. So volume will be how much? N over C. So it will be 1.75 into 10 raised to power minus 2 over the concentration which is given to us, which is 0.390, and you will get how much? Approximately 0.0449 dm cube. Here this was moles, the unit of this is moles, and unit of this is mole per dm cube. So when you do the calculation, you have mole divided by mole per dm cube. So how it will be? Mole multiplied by dm cube over mole, because when division is converted to multiplication is flipped, it cancels, so your unit is dm cube. So what's the final answer? We got 0.0449 dm cube. This is how you can solve a question with the help of concentration formula and titration method, because acid and base will cancel each other, it will neutralize each other. So 1 mole of acid needs 2 moles of base, so we will calculate the moles of this, and with the help of that we can calculate the moles of the base, and we can finish this question. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much, see you next time.